Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's date is 29 June 2024. As usual, I'm going to show you today's Hamster Kombat daily cipher. Click on daily cipher, and our word for today which we are going to cipher is proof, as in PROOF. Our first word is P, which is dot dash dash dot, and our second letter is R, which is dot dash dot, and our next word is O dash dash dash. My bad, let me do it again. P dot dash dash dot, R dot dash dot, O dash dash dash, then O again, dash dash dash, then F. That's our last letter. Dot dot dash dot. Take the price. That is it guys for today. See you tomorrow, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon for notification. Thank you.